Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Salty Tales, baby. Following this channel tradition, we're gonna make another experiment today. But this time, it's not about beef. It's about the best pork in the world. You were living already, huh? Yes, Berkshire, also known in Japan as Kurobuta, is considered the best breed in the world, rightly called the wagyu of pork. Berkshire is what we call a heritage breed. And these pigs are especially raised and held for their intensely flavorful meat and their fat. Japanese meats like wagyu beef, jidori chicken, or korobuta/Berkshire pork are considered the summit of quality. But contrary to wagyu beef, Berkshire/Kurobuta is a proud American breed. But who cares about the prices when we are eating one of the best things in the world? I do, and trust me, if I'm paying top prices, I really need to know I'm getting the best of the best. And what other better way to know when something is really good than making a good old comparison? And for that, we have these regular pork ribs. Both of them are what we call St. Louis ribs, with the difference that this one only cost me $1.99 the pound. I will treat them both the same and cook them both at 250 degrees using the 3-2-1 method. The 3-2-1 method is really simple. All you have to do is cook your ribs at 250 degrees for about 3 hours. You take them out, you wrap them in aluminum foil with some apple juice, brown sugar, butter, or anything else you have. Set them back in the grill for 2 hours and then take them out, unwrap everything and set them back in the grill for 1 more hour, and there you can add barbecue sauce every 15 minutes or so. In this case, we will not be adding any barbecue sauce because I want them dry so we can taste the meat better at the end. For now, I will only add a good amount of Neil syrup all-purpose rub to the ribs using regular yellow mustard as a binder and set them to rest in the fridge till tomorrow. Allowing the ribs to rest in the fridge with the rubs on top is like dry brining. You just put them in there for up to 24 hours, and if you dry brine before, you know exactly what to expect. It's delicious as all those spices that get into the meat really nice and well, and they condiment everything in there. It's a good thing to do no matter what kind of cooking you're doing. Anyway, next day I got my Louisiana grill ready to go at 250 degrees and added the ribs to it. Again, for 3 hours. After 3 hours, you should get your ribs looking very good. The bones should be showing up a bit like this, and the bark should be set on the meat. In my case, I'm going to use some lard instead of butter or anything else, because lard is just pork fat, and I know it's going to be doing great with this thing. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of lard on it, and I'm just going to wrap them up and put them back for 2 more hours. And then we just give it another hour with no wrap. The final hour is there just to reset the bark on the ribs and make them crispy and nice. And of course, it's the perfect time to add any barbecue sauce or whatever you have. In reality, you can get the ribs out of this point as they are fully cooked and delicious. But that final hour is what takes them to the next level. It's time to take it out. Take it out. Oh, mama. This is looking so nice and so beautiful. Look at that cutie. Boom! These are the Berkshire, guys. And this thing is, I don't want to move it too much, but look at this. This is falling apart. This is perfect. Now let's cut into it and see what's up inside, because this is something else, man. Okay, Captain Ron, look at those beauties, man. And it's time to go ahead and cut them. You want to buy it?
I do. You know I do.
I'm going to go with my left, okay?
All right. I'll stand back.
Bro, this knife suck.
They are falling apart. That's a beautiful thing.
Look at that, brother. All right, so today we have here Captain Ron to try it with us. I don't know if you guys met him before, but he's the one that does all the videos on Fogo, Sharko channel,
That's right.
Which is awesome. You guys should really go and take a look at that. And he's gonna help me out today decipher this problem we have here, which is the best ribs ever. It overcooked a little bit. What do you think?
A little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
It's a little bit overcooked. They're falling off the bone. I don't know if it's because it's Berkshire.
That could be.
It overcooked a little bit more because the meat was very soft, and there was a lot of marbling in those ribs. It was beautiful. But let's give it a try, and then we're gonna cut the other one and give it another try too and see what's up. All right.
Okay.
Wow.
That is good.
This is one of the best ribs I ever tried in my life, man.
Delicious.
What do you have to say about this,
right up.
Captain Ron?
I think this is fantastic. These are the Berkshire. These are the Berkshire rib. So good.
Just cut the regular ribs
Okay.
and see how we can compare one next to the other, all right? Wow, it looks amazing. Really nice.
Got a nice smoke ring.
Beautiful
on there,
small ring on it.
Yeah.
And it's not falling off the bone, so let's give it a
No,
try.
that's a nice solid rib.
Wow.
That's good too, though. But yeah, you can see though, it's got a little more body to it. You can see the teeth marks where you bit through it.
All right, Captain Ron.
Yes, sir.
You are a qualified judge. You've cooked this thing 1,000 times.
At least.
And that's why I want you here to taste it with me.
Definitely a juicier, more tender rib. You cook them the same amount of time, same temperatures right next to each other. This is definitely, yeah, you can see all the juices all over the board here.
That's crazy.
This is good as well, delicious. Not as juicy, definitely a more firm bite. A little bit less flavor. I think probably because of the juiciness. No, I think that has a little more juicy flavor to it too. So
This is what I think. These are unique ribs, completely different to anything else, better quality meat.
Yeah.
I mean, some people call it the wagyu of pork for a reason, right?
pork wagyu, that's right.
Yes,
that's what I've
baby.
heard.
What are you gonna go for? What is your favorite one?
I'm definitely gonna reach for that Berkshire again. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna kick either one of these out of my dining room. That's for sure. I'll eat either one of these. But if I had a choice, I'm definitely gonna go with letter 1.
It's like Prime. You can buy Prime or you can buy Wagyu, you know? Is the different that worth? Yeah, for me, yes.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's completely different. It's delicious. It's juicy. And it's crazy good. But I have to ask you a question. Did I make you hungry? If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to let me know down there in the comments what do you think about it. Would you pay $8 for an extra amazing rib? Will you stay with the regular ones? I don't know. It's a good experience. It's like Wagyu. It's something that you do once and you don't do it anymore. Or if you like it a lot, then you do it again. But it's crazy, amazing, juicy, unbelievable. I really love it. The other ones are freaking amazing too.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Delicious!
They were both delicious.
Yeah.
And that's all for today. But remember that I love you.